And we are really pleased to present this presentation today and glad to see you all here. As I look around the room and see a lot of you, I see folks from engineering firms, Findlay, City of Tiffin is here. We even got folks from Ohio State University, and it goes on with engineers, contractors, and others. So we are glad you're here to learn about stormwater. Our watershed was selected for a grant to bring some new insight into stormwater management here in northwestern Ohio. As part of the Western Lake Erie Basin of the Great Lakes, our watershed is a vital headwaters area of water draining down through the Maumee and into Lake Erie. We're also generating some of that pollution that we're sending to Lake Erie, and heaven forbid we have toxic algae coming from somewhere or going to someone else like they have Grand Lake St. Mary's. Fortunately, our watershed group is very proactive, networked within the 6 counties and communities around the Blanchard River, and it's just great to be able to do this type of workshop. Thanks to the Ohio Department of Natural Resources, we did get this grant to bring all these groups together. We are also putting the PowerPoint programs on our website. We are taping the presenters so that the individual talks will be on YouTube. So we will go beyond this room and take a lot of our information that's new today and be spreading it around wherever people want to watch it. So as they key into the keyword stormwater management, they're going to be coming to the Blanchard River. This grant was also part of a NOAA, National Oceanographic Atmospheric Administration grant, because they realized that a lot of the pollution that goes into our public waters comes from stormwater off of our yards from our lawn care programs, dumped in our catch basins when we wash our car and clean our paintbrush. A lot of dumb things are being done that we need to do better at and correct. So a variety of folks went together to give us this grant, and thanks to Dick Kozlowski here, our moderator, was the one that actually put the grant application together. His team of Megan Clement from the City Engineer's Office, Phil Martin, our watershed coordinator, they put together this list of speakers, and it's just amazing. We're going to have some neat stuff here in the next hour or so. We also want to thank our sponsors. Bill Cassidy's been jumping around here from Advanced Drainage Systems. They are here in Findlay. We are so fortunate to have a world-class company like them here doing everything possible on cutting-edge drainage and stormwater management. Bill brought some products. He's all over this region of the Midwest, right out of Findlay here, so we're glad to have AJS as one of our corporate sponsors. Also Paul Smelter from Van Horn Hoover Associates, an engineering firm here in town, who also is doing a lot of work in stormwater management, especially here with the new Findlay City Schools. We've got a lot of green energy projects starting here in Findlay for sustainability, and that stormwater management is being practiced right here with our own taxpayer-funded projects, so we're getting some good examples to learn from. This type of program is what the Watershed Partnership is all about. We want to bring the issues, the education, and solutions together around our watershed as we go around and talk to the communities, and we're in the paper this morning about being at Bluffton here just recently. We're entirely supported by volunteers, members, corporate sponsors, and grants. And fortunately, there's still some grants out there. They are paid for by water users through fees, and that comes back to our communities to help us take better care of our water. Water treatment is a very expensive process. We probably all take it for granted, and if we can keep those costs down, keep our water cleaner, then we're in better shape for it. We want to improve that water quality, and it starts with each one of us in our own yard. We hear a lot about flooding around here, but not every rain event is a flood. But every rain event certainly gives us stormwater to deal with. And we're going to learn a lot more about that today. So we're going to focus on what's new, what's next to better manage our stormwater pollution. And thanks to our presenters, we are ready to go.